revenue being generated by silly TikTok shop videos. We've got $572,000, $464,000, $371,000, and the list goes on. If you are interested in making a few $1,000s a month as a TikTok shop affiliate without showing your face using AI, I'm going to cover a quick tutorial on how to go ahead and get this done with a new tool that I've just come across. By the way, I would also like to go ahead and thank Nextify for sponsoring this video. So let's say you're creating content for e-commerce ads or TikTok shop. Nextify AI lets you turn simple product images or prompts into realistic short form videos in seconds. No editing software, no complicated timelines, and no voiceover setup needed. It's basically AI powered video production without the production team. And if you want to test it out for yourself, sign up now and you can get 20 free credits, which is usually enough to give you around 5 full videos. Check the link in the description to go ahead and give it a test drive. There's also a link in the pinned comment as well. As a starting point, I'm currently on my homepage. What we are looking at here is the prompt section where you can go ahead and tell the AI that you're using what you would like it to create. We're going to circle back onto that a little bit later on. I'm going to show you my example of what I asked. For now, I'm just going to walk you through what you can see here. We've also got, as you will have noticed there, an option to add a start and image. Now, what this does is if you have an ad idea in mind and you've got the image that you would like to generate the video based on, you may not always have both images, but of course, in the world of AI, we've got access to millions of tools that can generate images. So it should be easy enough to get an idea of what the end image result is going to be, but more on that a little bit later on. I'm going to show you my start and end images so you can see exactly what I mean. Now, what we can also see there is an option to create a prompt for you based on your image. More on that a little bit later on. Prompt section here, we've got an option for all these different models that we can select to create the video from. If you've been around AI for any amount of time, you'll know that there's various different models that you can select and they all specialize in different areas. There's also different types of ads, as you can see here, that you can create. The one that I'm on, and the reason why it's asking for a start and image, it is this video ad generator, but you can also select talking actors, static ad generator, ad image generator, product in hand, demo, and so forth. Next to that, we can see the different models that you can utilize to create the video. We've got Sora 2, Kling, Veo, and all these other ones, C Dance. If you've been around AI video generation for any amount of time, these should look familiar to you. We've also got the aspect ratio. You can create vertical videos. You can also adjust and play around with the quality of the video. My default time or duration of the video is 4 seconds, but if I click on that, I can change it to 8 seconds. That'll likely consume more credits, but it just means it spends a bit more time demonstrating the product that I'm trying to promote once a video is generated. Quality, yeah, so 1080p is the highest. How many videos would I like to generate? Now, that's another strength of this tool here. It allows you to batch generate, which does help if you want to test various approaches, various video hooks at the beginning. So you can find that one hook that gets engagement, which you can then potentially put some ad spend behind it because you can see that it's converting and it's giving you the results you're looking for. I'm just going to go with 2 videos here. Again, for the sake of this demonstration, I don't want to make it too long. And if we scroll a bit further down, you've got these examples of AI winning ads based on what's working currently right now in the marketplace. Now, what's crazy here is you get an option to clone these different ads so you can create similar ads that have already got some prompts that are baked in, so you don't have to come up with a prompt. It's already in there and you can basically scroll around and see which one fits your goals and your idea the most. The option for talking actors or talking AI avatars is down here just below the video examples. Now, again, similar concept, except this time you have got a fictional person that's going to appear in the video and be your talking voice. Now, I've done many videos like this in the past, but the beauty of this is even if the talking AI avatar does not have your product in hand, you can use simple, basic editing tools, even on your mobile phone, to splice that in with the product that you are trying to promote. So there's various different approaches that you can take. Absolutely crazy. So you can hear the quality is absolutely insane, very realistic. Of course, it is AI generated, but the question becomes, how high can the quality be of the tool that you're using? And as you can see from the demo here, this is one of the highest that you will get. There's your static ad generator here. Again, you can just browse through these. You can clone them. Demos, B-roll showcase. Again, it just explains itself at this point. There's some unboxing POVs. So I'm going to go ahead and clone some of these so we can see what happens. This is a poor example here, but I've uploaded an image of a pillow, which I'm going to use in another example a bit later on in the video. I just want to see how that gets integrated into this video. So I'm just going to generate it and we'll come back in a second and see what this looks like. So once I've clicked generate, this is what comes up. Obviously, you want to avoid this type of content. It prompts you to remind you here, avoid typos, use proper punctuation. Remember, it is AI. So whatever you put there, it will read that. I'm going to go ahead and click generate. So it's showing as processing that. These are some other examples that I have previously tested out. Just going to wait for around 6 minutes for that to process. But meanwhile, while that's happening, there's another example that I would like to test out as well. This one involves the before and after images that I talked about. And so I'm going to go ahead and upload some images that I have downloaded from TikTok Shop directly and put a prompt in, and we'll see what the result for that is going to be. So normally when I'm creating AI generated videos, I would jump into ChatGPT and get it to come up with some ideas for my video. But in this instance, the tool Nextify is actually helping me do that all within the platform. So what I've done is upload the images, and Nextify has analyzed the images that I've uploaded. What it's now doing is allowing me to use it to create a prompt for the type of video that's going to come out. And this is the window that has come out as a result of that. Neck pain relief cream, health and wellness. The product name is not neck and pain relief cream, it's the pillow. So I'm going to go ahead and change that. Health and wellness, yes. And core selling points, soothing, relief, muscle relaxation. I'll leave that. Redness reduction, easy application, fast acting. Now, what I don't want to happen is for this text to appear in the video. I don't know if they are going to appear or if it's actually going to use an AI generated voice to describe that. I don't want that to happen, but I'll leave it in for now, just so we can see what happens as a result of that text being there. Target audience, I'll leave that it is United States. That's fine. Yep. Scenarios and suggestions. Again, saving me the brain power and the time. It's already coming up with some ideas. I'm going to give this a little bit of time. We are going to circle back to the other video. It's just generating in the background. We'll come back to that in just a second. Woman in her late 20s, appearing tired, stressed, lighting, yeah, up withheld action. The woman is tossing and turning in bed. She grabs the neck support pillow. Yeah, like that. I'm not even going to read the other ones, to be honest. I'm just going to select this one. So now we've already got our storyboarding sorted out, and let us see where that takes us. So UGC review, yeah, storyboard is now in place. So I can copy that. I can confirm use. Now realistic, so I can refine the prompt as well. So if I click on realistic, that's going to go back and regenerate my storyboard, which is fine. It doesn't take that long to regenerate it anyway. So I'm now going to copy. There we go. Do I need to confirm use? Yes, confirm use. All right, so that's good. So I don't have to physically paste it within the prompt section here. It automatically pasted it because I've said confirm, I've selected confirm use. There's the number of credits. It's quite a lot of text in there. It's quite a long video, and I'm generating a minimum of 2 videos there, which is fine. So I'm going to go ahead and generate this video. I'm just going to click generate while we are waiting for the videos to generate. I'm just going to go to the left of the screen onto that menu there. I'm going to click under template where it's got project folder, and I'm just going to click the plus. I want to keep track of the types of videos that I'm generating. So here I'm going to call the folder TikTok Shop Yet Ads. So imagine you were not only selling on TikTok, if you were selling on Amazon, selling on Shopify as well, and you wanted to keep each platform video organized. Of course, you can take the same videos and use them on all these different platforms, but for the sake of this example, I'm just going to leave it as it is here. Default folder. So that's going to be the default one that any future videos that I'm creating are going to go straight into. For now, if you are still watching, if you're finding value from this video, I do content like this quite regularly. If you want to keep up with what's happening within the world of TikTok Shop, how people are making money, what's working in e-commerce, what's new in AI, dropshipping, and so forth, drop a big like and be sure to hype the video and share it.